Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Just a real quickie on this charger, this car charger. I got it on Amazon probably. It has a fast charge port. The green one is fast charge. I think, it says QC quick charge, and the bottom one is regular charge. They're both 3 amps. So it has 2 different speeds of charging, which is kind of nice. There's an LED lights up when it's got power to it, so that's nice. Long story short, it would not stay stuck into the power outlet. The power outlet, the inside barrel of the power outlet was very shiny steel, polished shiny steel, which is nice, but not so good for holding this thing in there. And these little wings are also shiny, polished metal, I think steel. And this is at a stiff spring on it, so sorry, a little out of frame. It was always working itself out. It wouldn't stay plugged in, which is, of course, ridiculous. Like, what good is it if it doesn't stay plugged in? So I got to thinking, and I took my Dremel tool out, and what I did was I did roughed it up, cross hatch here, like X's, and actually that side is the X's. And this side I just made single lines across there, because inside this barrel there's also like a little cutout, basically a cutout, and these things are supposed to fit into the cutout, only it wasn't working because, as I said, it was so slippery and this spring was powerful. Now it stays in there. Anyway, while I'm sitting still in the car, it stays in there. I will test it out for a few days. If this does not work, I will post up a comment that it didn't work and I'll try something else. If I don't put anything up there for a while, it means it worked. And that's it. Just a little quickie from Froggy. Be safe, have fun. Subscribe if you want more from Froggy. And give me a thumbs up or a like if this is any help to you. You might be able to fix your little charger just by roughing it up a little bit there. You could even use sandpaper probably. Try not to get any shavings inside of here because you might short something out. Okay, see ya. Bye-bye.